Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today, I will teach you about months in Sanskrit. Masaha. Masaha means month. See here, children. The first one, Chaitraha. Chaitraha means you have to take from the April month last 15 days and from the May month first 15 days. It is called as Chaitra Masaha. In Tamil we say Chittirai. Chittirai Madam. Okay? In Sanskrit, Chaitraha. Then the second one, see here. Okay, wait. I will split the word. Chaitraha. Chaitraha. Chaitraha means April last 15 days and May first 15 days. Chittirai Madam. Then the second one, Vaishakhaha. Vaishakhaha means in May last 15 days and in June first 15 days. It is called as Vaishakhaha. In Tamil we say Vaigasi Madam. Okay, children? Vaishakhaha. Vaishakhaha. Vaigasi Madam. Then the third one. See here. Jyeshtaha. Jyeshtaha means in that June last 15 days and in July first 15 days. It is called as Jyeshtaha. In Tamil we say Ani Madam. Chittirai, Vaigasi, Ani. We say right? Ani Madam. See here. Chaitraha, Vaishakhaha, Jyeshtaha. How you have to split this Vaishakhaha? See here. Vaishakhaha. Vaishakhaha. Okay, children? I will write here in Tamil also so that you can easily see this. Chittirai. Then the second one, Vaishakhaha. Vaigasi. Then the third one, Ani. See here. Then the fourth one, Ashadaha. 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 In English, you have to take from July last 15 days and in August first 15 days. That is called as the time, that 30 days called as Ashadha Masaha. In Tamil we say Adi Madam. Okay? See here. Adi Madam. Then this fifth one, see here. Shravanaha. What is meant by Shravanaha? In English, see here. In English, August last 15 days and September first 15 days is called as Shravanaha. Shravanaha. What we say in Tamil? Avani. See here. Avani. Avani Madam. Okay? Avani Madam. Then the sixth one, Bhadrapadaha. Bhadrapadaha, what we say in English? See here. In September, last 15 days and in October, first 15 days is called as Bhadrapadaha. In Tamil we say Purattasi Madam. See here. Purattasi Madam. Okay, children. Now, first I will teach these 6. See here. Chaitraha, Chittirai Madam, Vaishakha, Vaigasi Madam, Jyeshtaha, Ani Madam, Ashadhaha, Adi Madam, Shravanaha, Avani Madam, Bhadrapadaha, Purattasi Madam. Okay, children. Now I will teach the next 6 months. See here. From this one, Ashvinaha. What is meant by Ashvinaha? Ashvinaha, Ashvina Masaha means in October last 15 days and in November first 15 days is called as Ashvina Masaha. In Tamil we say Aipasi Madam. See here. Aipasi Madam. How you have to split the word Ashvinaha? A, Ish, Vi, Naha. Ashvinaha. Aipasi Madam. Then the next one, 8th month, Kartikaha. Kartikaha means what? Kartika Masaha means what? In November, the last 15 days and in December, first 15 days is called as Kartikaha. In Tamil we say Kartigai Madam. See here. Kartigai Madam. Kartikaha. How can we split this? Ka, Ir, Ti, Kaha. Kartikaha. Kartigai Madam. Then the next one, Margashirshaha. Margashirshaha. Margashirshaha means what? In English we say December last 15 days and in January first 15 days, these days are called as Margashirshaha. In Tamil we say Margazhi Madam. See here. Margazhi Madam. Actually, for this month, there is a famous thing. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said, Masanam Margashirshoham. That means what? In 12 months, I am Margazhi. I am Margashirshaha. மாதங்களுக்குள்ளே நான் மார்கழி மாதமாக இருக்கிறேன். This word said by Lord Krishna. Margashirshaha. Margazhi Madam. Then Paushaha. Paushaha. Paushaha means what? In January, last 15 days and in February, first 15 days is called as Paushaha. We have another name for this Paushaha. What is that? Makara Masaha. We say Makara Shankaranti. Pongal day, you know, which will come. When it will come? January 14 or 15. In this month only. We say in Tamil, Thai Madam. See here. Thai Madam. Paushaha or Makaraha. Then the 11th month, Magha. Magha means what? In English, February last 14 days and in March first 15 days. It belongs to Magha Masaha. In Tamil we say Masi Madam. Masi. Okay, children? Magha. Then the last month, Phalgunaha. Phalgunaha. Phalgunaha means what? I will show this. In March month, the last 15 days, and in April month, first 15 days. These days belongs to Phalguna Masaha. In Tamil we say Panguni Madam. See here. Panguni Madam. Okay, children. Now I will teach these words, name of months in Sanskrit. You have to repeat after me. Okay, children? See here. Chaitraha, Vaishakhaha, Jyeshthaha, Ashadhaha, Shravanaha, Bhadrapadaha, Ashvinaha, Kartikaha, Margashirshaha, Paushaha, Maghaha, then the last one Phalgunaha. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Meet you all in another session. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.